Have you ever wondered why rejection feels so personal, even when it isn't? In a world that measures our worth by likes, responses, and opportunities won or lost, being rejected can feel like being erased. It hits not just our plans, but our identity. We've become conditioned to equate approval with belonging and silence with failure. Whether it's being ghosted after an interview, overlooked in a relationship, or ignored online, today's rejection often feels constant and deeply personal. And yet, the Stoics offer us a different lens. As Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment." Rejection, then, is not something to avoid, but something to understand. Stoicism doesn't teach us to feel nothing. It teaches us to feel wisely. In this journey through Stoic wisdom, we'll learn how to face rejection not with despair, but with dignity. You'll discover timeless principles that transform the sting of rejection into strength. And if you're seeking a deeper path forward, join our community here at the Stoic Code, where ancient philosophy meets modern resilience. Rejection, often perceived as a setback, holds immense significance in personal growth and resilience. It serves as a catalyst for self-reflection, pushing us to confront our limitations and develop a stronger character. By embracing rejection, we can cultivate a mindset that transforms obstacles into opportunities for learning and improvement. Throughout this video, you'll uncover practical strategies inspired by Stoic teachings, tools to empower you to navigate rejection with grace and strength. We will explore how reframing rejection can lead to transformative experiences, fostering a deeper understanding of oneself and enhancing emotional resilience. Join us as we unlock the potential of rejection, revealing its ability to shape our journeys and ultimately lead us toward greater fulfillment and success. Number 1. Redefining rejection as redirection. In this segment, we emphasize the critical importance of rising above indifference and valuing self-worth. It's essential to focus on your own goals and happiness, rather than seeking validation from others. When we prioritize our aspirations, we cultivate a sense of purpose that fuels motivation and resilience. Ignoring those who overlook or undervalue us can be incredibly empowering. It allows us to reclaim our narrative and invest in our own growth. By recognizing that not everyone will appreciate our worth, we can shift our focus inward, fostering a deeper sense of self-respect. This self-respect becomes particularly vital in the face of rejection, as it helps us maintain our dignity and confidence. Ultimately, embracing our self-worth enables us to rise above indifference, paving the way for a more fulfilling and authentic life. Number 2. Mastering the emotional response. In this section, we explore the Stoic approach to managing emotional responses to rejection, advocating for the importance of maintaining composure and engaging in introspection. Stoicism teaches us that while we cannot control external events, we can control our reactions to them. Mastering our emotions is crucial. It's not about suppressing feelings, but rather understanding and channeling them constructively. By acknowledging our emotions, we can gain valuable insights into our responses and motivations. This self-awareness allows us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. We encourage you to focus on your actions and responses in the face of rejection, as these are within your control. By aligning your actions with your values and goals, you can navigate rejection with resilience and grace, ultimately transforming setbacks into opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Embracing this Stoic mindset empowers you to rise above challenges with confidence. Number 3. The art of detachment. In this segment, we teach the art of detachment from rejection, emphasizing the importance of acknowledging rejection without allowing it to consume your thoughts. Recognizing rejection as a natural part of life can help mitigate its emotional impact, enabling you to move forward with clarity. We encourage engaging in enriching activities that foster personal growth, such as pursuing hobbies, learning new skills, or connecting with others who inspire you. These pursuits not only distract from negative feelings but also enhance your sense of fulfillment and purpose. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences, friends, mentors, or supportive communities can significantly uplift your spirit and reinforce your self-worth. By cultivating a network of encouragement, you create an environment that nurtures resilience and optimism. Ultimately, mastering the art of detachment allows you to navigate rejection with grace, transforming it into a stepping stone for future success. Number 4. Transforming pain into progress. In this section, we encourage you to showcase resilience and skill in the face of rejection by redirecting your energy toward constructive actions. Rather than dwelling on the disappointment, it's vital to channel that energy into pursuits that foster growth and improvement. Rejection should be viewed not as a failure, but as a redirection toward better opportunities, ones that may be more aligned with your true potential. This shift in perspective allows you to remain open to new possibilities and experiences. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of embracing setbacks as setups for comebacks. Every rejection can serve as a valuable lesson, one that strengthens your resolve and sharpens your skills. By adopting this mindset, you empower yourself to rise above challenges, demonstrating resilience that not only enhances your character, but also prepares you for future successes. Ultimately, it's about transforming rejection into a powerful catalyst for personal and professional growth. Number 5. Finding strength in silence. In this segment, we discuss the power of silence and emotional distance after experiencing rejection. We advocate for using silence as a strategic reset, allowing you to step back and reflect on your feelings without the noise of external opinions. This period of quiet can be crucial for processing emotions and gaining clarity about the situation. Prioritizing mental peace is essential. By creating space away from the chaos of rejection, you can cultivate a more balanced perspective. Emotional distance serves as a protective barrier, enabling you to assert your self-worth and recognize that rejection does not define your value. By distancing yourself from negative influences and self-doubt, you empower yourself to heal and grow. Ultimately, embracing silence and emotional distance can transform rejection into an opportunity for self-discovery and renewed strength, reinforcing your resilience and commitment to personal growth. Number 6. Letting rejection fuel self-improvement. In this section, we inspire you to use rejection as a powerful motivation for self-improvement. We encourage you to commit to personal growth and skill development, viewing rejection not as a setback, but as an opportunity to enhance your abilities and resilience. By embracing the lessons that come from rejection, you can identify areas for improvement and take actionable steps toward your goals. We advocate for letting actions speak louder than words. It's through consistent effort and dedication that you demonstrate your commitment to growth. Each small step taken in the face of rejection becomes a testament to your pursuit of becoming a better version of yourself. By channeling the energy from rejection into productive endeavors, you not only build your skills but also reinforce your self-worth. Ultimately, you transform challenges into stepping stones for success and fulfillment. Number 7. Seeking joy despite the pain. In this segment, we promote the importance of seeking joy amidst rejection, emphasizing that happiness can be found even in challenging times. We encourage you to pursue activities that bring genuine happiness and fulfillment, whether it's engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or exploring new interests. Rejection can be reframed as an invitation to new experiences, opening doors to opportunities that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. By shifting your focus from disappointment to exploration, you can discover paths that lead to greater joy and satisfaction. Additionally, we highlight the importance of shared laughter and connection with others. These moments of joy can provide comfort and perspective during tough times. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and embracing the lighter side of life can help you navigate rejection with resilience. Ultimately, this fosters a sense of hope and renewed enthusiasm for the future. Number 8. Strengthening bonds through community. In this section, we discuss the vital role of community engagement in overcoming rejection. We encourage you to focus on self-improvement while fostering meaningful connections with others. Engaging with a community can provide a supportive network that helps you navigate the emotional challenges of rejection. By participating in community activities, whether through volunteering, joining clubs, or attending local events, you not only contribute to the greater good but also experience personal growth and fulfillment. These interactions can lead to new friendships and opportunities that enrich your life. Additionally, we highlight the importance of mutual respect in relationships. Building connections based on understanding and appreciation creates a safe space for vulnerability and healing. By surrounding yourself with a supportive community, you can transform the pain of rejection into a powerful catalyst for resilience, ultimately enhancing your sense of belonging and self-worth. Number 9, valuing those who value you. In this section, we teach you to focus on those who genuinely value you, rather than those who are indifferent. It's essential to recognize that not everyone will appreciate your worth, and that's okay. We encourage maintaining professionalism in unavoidable interactions with indifferent individuals, allowing you to navigate these situations gracefully without compromising your self-esteem. However, it's crucial to invest your emotional energy in meaningful relationships that uplift and support you. By prioritizing connections with those who recognize your value, you foster a more positive and enriching environment. Additionally, we highlight the importance of self-respect in choosing where to invest your time. Surrounding yourself with people who appreciate you reinforces your self-worth and encourages personal growth. Ultimately, focusing on valuing relationships empowers you to cultivate a fulfilling life, free from the weight of indifference and negativity. Number 10, protecting peace with boundaries. In this section, we discuss the delicate balance between kindness and emotional boundaries. It's essential to treat others with respect while simultaneously guarding your inner peace. Kindness is a powerful tool for building connections, but it should not come at the expense of your emotional well-being. We advocate for maintaining emotional distance as a means of self-preservation. This allows you to engage compassionately without becoming overwhelmed by others' emotions or demands. Establishing boundaries helps protect your mental health while still fostering positive relationships. Additionally, we highlight the importance of practicing empathy without expectation. Offering support and understanding should come from a place of genuine care, not a desire for reciprocation. By finding this balance, you can cultivate meaningful connections while ensuring your emotional needs are met, ultimately leading to healthier interactions and a more harmonious life. Number 11, staying composed through the storm. In this section, we encourage maintaining composure in the face of adversity, advocating for the embodiment of stoic resilience without the need for external validation. It's essential to recognize that true strength lies in your ability to remain calm and centered. Even when faced with challenges, we encourage acknowledging your emotions, allowing yourself to feel without letting those feelings dictate your behavior. This balance enables you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, fostering a sense of control in turbulent situations. Additionally, we highlight the importance of integrity and self-respect amidst challenges. Staying true to your values reinforces your character and builds inner strength. By prioritizing composure, you not only navigate adversity more effectively, but also set a powerful example for others. Ultimately, maintaining your poise in difficult times empowers you to emerge stronger and more resilient, reinforcing your commitment to personal growth and self-improvement. Rejection may sting, but within that sting lies the call to return to yourself, to your inner judgment, your values, your unwavering center. It is in the quiet aftermath of disappointment that the Stoic path becomes most visible, where strength is not shouted but shown in silence, composure, and clarity. You have learned that rejection is not a detour but a redirection, one that invites you to rise above indifference and rediscover your worth. You've seen how mastering your emotional response allows you to remain unshaken by the winds of external opinion. and how detachment clears the path for inner peace and purposeful action. You've been reminded that every moment of pain can become progress if you are willing to transform energy into improvement. That silence, too, has power, the kind that heals, clarifies, and restores. Rejection, when held wisely, becomes a mirror for self-refinement and an invitation to joy in unexpected places. True strength is not found in the noise of approval, but in the quiet resolve to keep showing up for yourself. You now understand that the bonds we build in community and the relationships we choose to nourish are what fortify us through hardship, that it is not enough to be kind. We must also be clear about our boundaries. And above all, that composure in the storm is the mark of a soul anchored in virtue, not validation. Start with one breath of stillness, one moment of grace, then build upon that. Growth in the Stoic sense is not a race but a return, a steady journey of presence, resilience, and self-command. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to the Stoic Code and walk this path with us. Join a community committed to ancient wisdom and modern strength. Share your story in the comments, because your reflection may be the very lesson someone else is searching for. And as Epictetus reminds us, no man is free who is not master of himself. Be free, be steady, be stoic.